Whoa! Oh, just you guys there. Don't sneak up on me. Alright, so that's embarrassing. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Alright, so I got this cool alarm clock. It's an FM radio. Let's check it out right now. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nathan here, World Masters. Hope you guys are having a great day. And we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. That's craziness. I can't believe it. In a million years, my channel will get to 10,000. So I do appreciate all my subscribers and viewers for watching my videos. You guys are awesome. And I couldn't do it without you guys. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of crazy product reviews and then kind of going out of the scope of vacuums. And today we got a cool little product. This is by HeimVision. This company sent me out this little alarm clock. So let me tell you a backstory here. My daughter just turned 5 and she acts like she's a teenager now. Impossible to get her up. Like, I tried everything from shaking her bed, throwing her teddy bears at her, and she just won't wake up. So hopefully this little guy can wake her up. Some cool features, it does have a built-in FM radio. So if you're annoyed by waking up to those alarm sounds or those annoying sounds that basically startle you in the morning, well, you don't have to worry about that. Also, this guy has 20 sound levels, so you can wake up to a soft, soothing sound or to a more louder sound depending on how heavy a sleeper you are. Also has 7 color LED lights, and also you can change the intensity of the lights, so that's really cool. Some other features is this guy has a built-in AC adapter, so you don't have to worry about running your batteries down. And you do have a USB port, so you can charge up your smartphones or your smart devices. And let's go ahead and check this guy out. So it looks like there's a lot of other cool features, like the dual alarm system, has a sleep aid, sunrise simulation, and snooze mode. So it should be fairly easy to set up. So let's just get this box opened up. Open up this little flap here, and we'll open up the top. That's the order number, so that's not important. Okay, so here's the instructions. Very nice. Kind of gives you the basic operations of this guy. And you know how I am with instructions. I read them until I fall asleep. Cool. And here's just kind of like a little help guide. So if you have any problems, there's the email down there. So I do like to provide the fact that they provide a little helpful guide thing. Alright, so here's the alarm clock itself, nicely bubble wrapped. So during shipment, it doesn't get rattled around. Open up this guy. Oh, very, very cool. So it looks like we got some speakers down here. And this little wire is for your FM radio. And then there's that USB port for your smartphone you can charge up. And it looks like we have a micro USB for the input. So it's a 5-volt micro USB. Very, very cool. Let's see what else is in the box. So that's about it. Check out this little box here. Let's see. Oh, we got these little stands. Very nice. Should be fairly easy to install. A little USB cable. And we also have our AC power brick. I really like the fact they provided an AC brick. I remember like the first Nintendo DS, or it was like a DS Lite that didn't come with the power brick. A lot of people were kind of bummed out about it. So I'm always glad that companies provide a power brick, even though you probably have a million of these laying around. It's always a nice, thoughtful touch. Okay, let's see how easy it is to install the legs. They should just slot right in here. Let's see. Yep, they just snap right in, so you should be good to go. Check out the colors here. So we got, I believe, green, yellow, orange, red, purple, dark blue, lighter blue, green, and back again. So very, very nice. So what's nice about this, you can set the duration of the lights, and you can mimic like the sunrise. Wow, can you see myself? Yeah, it's craziness. I look so beautiful. Alright, so up top here's the 7 color LED changing lights, and down below is the LED clock display. It's a very nice display, and you got your AM, PM. But one nice option is if you like the military time, you do have the 24-hour format, and these indicators indicate what functions are enabled. So for example, I do have alarm 1 enabled, so that should light up. And down below is the company, HeimVision. So this is a pretty clean setup, pretty minimalistic design, but it looks great on like a bed stand. Now up top here are the buttons. I do like the fact they're up top here. Makes it really easy to access. And in the back here, there's no buttons, so it makes sense to put all the buttons up top here. Now they're grouped into different functions. So this is your FM functions. You also have the clock change. You can change the clock or the time. And you have the nighttime mode, which allows the light to go out at a certain time. And this is your plus and minus to change the different clock settings, alarms, and this is your snooze button. So if you hit that, I believe it goes off for about 9 minutes, then the alarm resumes. And this is your alarm 1 and 2. So if you have a person that likes to get up earlier or later, it's great that you can set 2 different alarms. And lastly, here's your 7 color LED lights, and you can also change the intensity. So very, very nice. To set an alarm, it's actually pretty simple. So all you have to do is select either 1 or 2. So I'm going to hold down 1, and you'll see that this display will start flashing here. And now I can use the minus and plus to change the time. So I can just change it whenever I want it to wake up. And then once I have that set, press the alarm 1 again to move over to the minutes. And you just do the same thing once you have it set. Now you can actually change how you want to wake up. You could do like a regular alarm. You could do some nice music. Do some bird backgrounds. Even some white noise. Bird chirping. Or you can just have it off. So let's go ahead and push the alarm 1 again. And now I can change the lights. So I can have different intensity of lights and different colors right here. So if I want to have it dimmer, I have the option as well. So once I do that, I can actually have the duration of like how long the light should stay on or when it should start up. So let's say I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. Well, this light will start to go on around 6:50 a.m. Very, very cool. So it's all set and you should be good to go. So in conclusion, I think this guy is great for someone that just wants an easy to use alarm clock or likes to wake up to your favorite FM radio station. I do like the fact that you can charge up your smartphone. Some downsides is it doesn't have an automatic like daylight saving time, or it doesn't have some ability to auto adjust the time. And there we go, it's starting to go off. So what do you guys think? I think it's a nice tone. Wake up to some birds and a nice melody. So cool, let's go ahead and stop that. And we're on snooze, and I believe it stays off for about 9 minutes and then it goes back on. Alright, so I hope you like this video. It was just a quick video about this alarm clock. Thanks for watching. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later.